and welcome to a new video. Sorry for not making another video the other day. I was kind of busy. And today, wow, what a wonderful day! I missed today, but I think it is fine because these kind of days, I actually didn't want to trade within that range. So it is wonderful to see that it's now not within that range. Let's give some quick analysis, daily analysis. The candle is looking nice with a thick breakout. We can get a retest onto the 18,442, and if it comes there, we can go for a target of 18,600. If you look at the 955 and the 21-day moving average, you can also see they're bullish. So that is one indication that this is still going to go up only. And the RSI took a bounce, took support at 60 and now moving upwards. These are all indications that we can see a clear upside move. Looking at last time behavior of RSI, we can see that even when it took a bounce here, it went up quite a lot till 80. 80s are normally where they start cooling down. So you can see as it's indicated in the past as well. Around 80 areas is where it starts to cool down if it is like properly bullish, right? So now even if you take a little bit of correction, even though this correction is not that great, but it is some sort of correction with consolidation over here as well. So this is a good move. A lot of people who had put their shorts here are also trapped. So all this is giving liquidity for it to move upwards, right? So we can see go up to 84. If we break 18,600, we can go for an even bigger target of 19,500, right? That's also very simple. If you just take the weekly analysis, you can see the targets for long term is around 19,500, 19,000 and all that, 400, 500. So let's just take that as a long term view and continue moving downwards to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you can see clear up move and also indication that it's a bullish even in the 1 hour time frame. You can see with this, right? And the last hour, the whole day started in the above RSI. It was meant to be a good move upwards, right? And that came after this high, initial high was made. And if you see, it is also near the place where the previous highs are, like here. So once these were caught, there was a good chance to go up, right? But today was expiry. You have to keep that in mind as well. Even though the movement was upwards, this kind of movement could have destroyed a lot of people from, and that is why you saw this kind of momentum, right? All these people who were short, they got caught here because the thing kept moving upwards, right? And we are trading at 18,400, which was very close to one of the strike prices that was being sold at high quantities. So upwards. It is as simple as that actually. So that's it for tomorrow. It's simple. If it comes down, we're gonna buy anyway. Because we broke this, we're gonna see for a bounce from here. So simple price action. Gap up we ignore and we see the price action later. But if it comes like break, like flat opening, then we wait for bounce back and then we move upwards to this is the target. And if it just decides to gap down, let us break above this, take a bounce. That's another way of looking at it, right? You can see a bigger correction if you want. A bigger correction is not entirely possible right now, but we can still try. Let's see where will the bigger correction come. Taking this into account, this low and this high, we can say this to be a good place to buy again. Plus, there's some price action supporting this level. So because here normally because this is a very big move, people need to buy back. I think this. So this area is the buy zone. So two levels. We have to wait for price action. One is flat opening. You come here and then up. Then there is either gap down or gap up. Breaks this. Come here. So all this is a possibility. I want to let you know, right? Price action might be different, but this is what I'm just looking at. These are the couple of areas you have to keep your eye on. Don't directly buy if it just goes to that level. Wait for it to show price action clear, then you can trade a reversal on the shorter time frame. That's all for today. Um, have a wonderful day. I hope you had a wonderful day today as well. Thank you. Good night. Sorry for the late upload.